Hi guys, it's G with AromaG's Botanica, and at this year's Tennessee Folk Magic Fest, which is this Sunday, I am teaching sunshine magic. So, what is that? It's all about the solar power in magic. It can be from creating solar infusions, solar teas. It has always been a magic that is about empowering people, giving life to things, and also, interestingly, about shedding light on matters that are dark or unknown to you. So, I'll be talking about that this this coming Sunday at the Folk Fest. The other classes are, we always have really interesting classes. You have Iajani, who's teaching how to transmute chaos and negativity into order and harmony. You've got Reverend Roy, who's doing death omens in the spirit world. Mama T is doing osteomancy, which is divination with bones, how to do bone readings. Nikki Jean is teaching about the goddesses of the Orisha. And Stephanie Reed is covering what she calls dark holler magic, which is about haints, hexes, and hidden healings. So we end the evening too with a drum circle. That's why we're doing 6 classes. Normally we do 7, but we wanted to fill that last class with something that everyone could participate in. If you have a drum, bring it. We will have some available for the public to use. But yeah, we're going to end with a drum circle in the evening. Of course, there's also all the free food and the door prizes and everything. So come out to the 8th annual Tennessee Folk Magic Festival at AromaG's Botanica this Sunday, September 14th, open at 10 a.m. and then we close at 8 p.m. So come on out. We'll see you there.